Check this out. Never seen these fixtures before. Relax and smile. I don't know what building this is, but I like how there's brails on the indicator. Oh, they're literally just buttons. What the heck is this? There's a smiley face over the 3 button. Dare we go to it? Yes, we do. Wow. Whoa. Okay, that literally opens right up there. Okay. Here's your fixtures. This is bizarre, to say the least. Yeah, they literally just, those are buttons. They did the US thing, and they did what US Elevator did, and just used buttons for their indicator. Oh, sorry.
Hi.
This is what the building looks like on the outside. It's just this little bit. The elevator's right there.